Hi career investors, welcome to another career secret, the power of a career mentor. I promise you that when you finish this video you will understand why a mentor is critical for your career and you get tips to find the right mentor and build with him a successful relationship. So stay tuned and let's get in it. What is mentoring and what is a mentor? You are correct if you think this is old stuff. But if you think this is nothing for you, believe me, you're mistaken. And let me explain why I think so. Mentoring has a long history. The word mentor comes from Greek mythology when Ulysses entrusted his son's education to his old friend, Mentor, dating back at least 3,000 years. So it is very old stuff. Mentorship has a long been recognized valuable tool for personal and for professional growth. Career mentoring can have a significant impact on your career, on your development, and finally on your success. Based on your career path, the role of a mentor will change, especially in later stages or higher levels of professional career paths. Coaches are replacing mentors. But I explain that in another kind of video where I talk about the difference and what a professional coach is. But now, what is career mentoring? Career mentoring is a professional relationship between a more experienced individual, the mentor, and a less experienced individual, the mentee. So the mentor provides guidance, support, and advice to the mentee, helping them to develop in skills, in knowledge, and in their career goals. This can happen in a formal or in an informal setting and be often a one-on-one relationship. Sometimes group mentoring is also available, but most of the cases it's a one-to-one relationship. So what is the value for me, the mentee? Have you ever wondered why some individuals excel in their careers while others struggle to find their path? Well, one of the key factors that sets successful professionals apart is having a mentor. A mentor can be a very kind of valuable source for professional growth and your career accelerator. Which is why this secret is significant and you should actively use it. So how does mentoring practically work? The benefits of mentoring is a personal experience sharing activity. Mentor and mentee meet and spend time where the mentor shares his experience and the mentee can ask questions, get answers, and learn while doing so from the mentor. Based on the relationship between both and the willingness to share and learn, this can be extremely valuable for the mentee and in some areas also for the mentor. Let me share a short story from my own experience that maybe helps to understand why I think a mentor is key. At the beginning of my career, I worked as a project manager to support a significant work package in a multicultural program. So a lot to learn. When I met the business owner of the program, which was really already from my point on top level, to really look into some goals and the next steps, I was so impressed by his leadership style and know-how that when he asked me if I need anything else, if there's anything he can do for me, I gathered all my courage together and asked him if he could mentor me and help me learn and grow. I was impressed when his office, short after that, arranged bi-weekly hourly meetings with me. So I asked myself what to do now. What will happen in these meetings exactly? So I googled and at the end I prepared a massive list of questions. Things which matter to me and to the program, and things which I need to understand how the company and the culture works. It was very good that I prepared myself and I shared some of the questions for the first meeting with the new mentor. He told me he would challenge me if I would came unprepared. So this is a don't. Don't do this. Prepare yourself, as the time is minimal. The meeting was always too short, but I got questions about my work and personal development answered. And over time, the relationship between us grew in trust and in respect. One day I got a call from my mentor's office, and then he directly talked to me and said and asked me if I would join him on a business trip, as he wanted to introduce me to other important international executives who are in the future customers for my project. So this one trip was worth years of working and building a network. Because in that one trip, I met the top leadership team of another business area, and in several days, I was more or less able to connect to all of them. The mentoring overall lasted around 6 months, and as he moved then on to his next level, our relationship stayed active. It is still active today after 20 years, and we moved from a kind of a professional relationship in a friendship. So for me, a great story, and I had several mentors, but that one still sticks with me. But there are small findings. First, select a mentor who is at least one level or better several levels above you. It is less about a hierarchy and more about the experience, but let's be honest, hierarchy matters. You want to learn from a mentor, so more experience means more opportunity to learn, right? Second, make sure your mentor has some years of experience in the company, as this experience is essential to learn in an accelerated way some insights, some rules of the company, often called company culture. And that exactly happened or is important when you are new to a company. So if you are new, find a mentor from the same area or department. If you're already a couple of years in the area, in the department, and you know everybody, then look for a member which is outside from another department. This gives you the opportunity to also grow your business skills, because you will talk about different business areas, but also to expand your network around the whole company. Now, most prominent companies have mentorship programs, and HR is always a great place to reach out. Share your idea about a mentor with your HR colleagues and ask for their support on this topic. But don't do the mistake and get off track if they are not supportive. Take it in your own hands. Now, my last point here is, and it's very important, prepare yourself. Answer the question of what do you want to get out of a mentorship for yourself. Often, when you approach a potential mentor and ask for a mentorship, this is one of the first questions you will get. Another one is, why you approach me? So prepare for that as well. Get ready for the questions in the first dialogue. This brings me to the next topic. How do I find a mentor? The most obvious place to search is in your company. Look around senior executive ranks, inside or outside your business area. The second possibility is somebody outside your company, maybe from a former company where you had a great relationship, and somebody with a lot of skills and know-how where you built already trust in the past. Another, and the third one here, is find a mentor from your professional network. LinkedIn is here a great source to find mentors. I have my professional coaching business always in a mentorship. So that means I have, to all the people I coach, always one I mentor. And this is something which changes normally all 3-4 months. So what is in for the mentor? Now, mentorship is, in comparison to professional coaching, often voluntarily. Good mentors enjoy helping their mentees, and most of the time, if the meetings are during the office hours, both get paid by the company. Because the mentor helps to develop a new talent. But a mentor-mentee relationship is not only a give and a take situation. It can be much more. It can be both. Not sure if you heard about the wording of reverse mentoring. A mentor is more experienced than a mentee, at least that's what we clearly defined in the business context. As the mentor has more years of professional experience, sometimes there are new things where a mentor can learn from his mentee, especially in new areas where the mentor maybe doesn't have the experience and the mentee is maybe more skilled. So, as a homework, find out which areas you have skills to share. And often these skills are in another area of the professional business context, like social media, content creation, digital transformation, tools and gadgets, iPhone usage, apps, especially nowadays AI solutions and more. The power of a career mentor. What is it? A mentor's wisdom and knowledge and insights can be very valuable in helping you to navigate the challenges and make informed decisions in a professional career context. Think about how many questions you have. Now you have somebody on your side who gives you some answers to these questions and helps you. So this is one of the biggest values around mentorship. But there's more. A mentor should provide personalized guidance tailored to your unique goals and aspirations. And a mentor can help you identify your strengths, your weaknesses, and areas of improvement. By sharing their experiences, mentors can help you to avoid common pitfalls and accelerate your learning curve, because a lot of things you maybe ask them is for them already known because of their own experience. But a good mentor not only provides guidance, but also serves as a source of inspiration and motivation. They help you to set realistic goals, they challenge you to step out of your comfort zone, and they encourage you to reach your full potential while believing in your abilities. A mentor can introduce you to their professional networks that can open doors to new opportunities and connections. This is a very, very valuable outcome, and professional networking, I'm not sure if you know that, is from my point of view the second most crucial secret, because it has the second highest value in helping you with your career. See my other video where I explain why professional networking is a career booster. As we're coming to the end of that video, I want to thank you for watching. Remember, a mentor can be the key to unlock your full potential. Stay tuned for more career secrets. There are more videos coming. And remember, like, share and subscribe to get exactly a reminder when I upload new videos and new career secrets. And in the same time, you help me to support and grow my channel. Thank you for listening. Until next time, take care and keep investing in yourself. See you, Udo. Bye.